Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and create a bestseller collection in Shopify. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, once you're inside the Shopify website right here, you want to go ahead and navigate through the products. You could just go ahead and see that at the edge of your screen, and inside products, you will go ahead and see an additional menu will pop up. You have your collection, inventory, purchase orders, and more. You want to go ahead and click on collections, and inside collection, just go ahead and click on create collection. Now, once inside, you could go ahead and name this any way you want to. So I want to name my collection Bestsellers 2024, so I'll just go ahead and name it this one. But if you want to go ahead and name it something like Summer Outfit 2024, you could just go ahead and do so. Now, after naming the collection right here, just go ahead and click on the save button and you will be able to create your collection. Now, the next thing to do is to go ahead and browse through your products. So just go ahead and click on browse and you will go ahead and see all of your products right here. Now, since I'm only testing this out, I only have a single product, which is the test product. But basically, you will go ahead and see all of your products right here. You just have to go ahead and select them all and to add them to the bestseller collection. Go ahead and click on add, and now the product has been updated. Now, we want to go ahead and make sure that the bestseller collection will go ahead and show up into our Shopify. So to do that, we must go ahead and click on the online store right here, and inside online store, just go ahead and click on customize. This is basically where we could go ahead and customize our web page. Once inside the customization page, you want to go ahead and let people know that you have a collection and that is the bestseller collection. Now, if they go ahead and scroll down and they need to go ahead and locate the bestseller collection. Now, to go ahead and display that collection, you just need to go ahead and navigate through the template right here, and inside you just go ahead and click on add section. Inside, you could just go ahead and click on the featured collection, and once again, go ahead and click on the featured collection to customize this template right here. Now, after clicking on it, you will be able to edit this template right here. So just go ahead and change the name to Bestsellers 2024. And for the description, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this is our bestsellers. You could also go ahead and edit the description style for the bodies, subtitled, uppercase, and more. And you have the maximum products to show, which is number 4. If you want to go ahead and show more products, you could just go ahead and turn this slider. But if you want to lessen the products that's showing in here, just go ahead and turn this to the left. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it at default, which is 4. And to go ahead and show your collection right here, you want to go ahead and navigate through the collection tab and just go ahead and click on the select collection. Once inside, you will be able to see all of your collection. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and choose the ones that we just made a while back and just go ahead and click on select. After that, you want to go ahead and save this template, and in that way, you will have a bestseller collection in your shop in Shopify. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.